Slow down. Ow. Oh my God. Tiffany.
What about your pier?
Wasn't me.
When you go through here.
Yeah, last night Nicola was leaving. You went up? Is there somebody here you pay?
I think it's just you just pick something. You just pick a card. You should, right? Oh, you. It was a hint, or you should get the hint. It just sounded right.
No, he did the hint.
So where we going?
We're going.
Oh, you hint unless you get the hint.
We is not going there. We're going to
You
the.
went up the window, I'm cold.
I know. Why you so cold with my boss?
I'm cold.
Okay, so wait. This is a spot, but you gotta do all that. See, this is a scenic view.
Are you going there?
Yeah.
Yeah, let's go. And then the visitor center is down there. Let's go see the scenic view, and then we'll go to the visitor center. Nicola, are you ready to see Hoover Dam? Hello? No words?
Ready.
Look at that lady. I'm going up. Yeah, it was easier to walk the stairs. What did she? I caught that. You hear that? We need to be more melanated. Yeah. All the Hoover Dam. Stand right here. Hold up, I gotta go look further. Guys, come a little closer here. Let's go. To see Hoover Dam.
Enter at your own risk.
Yeah, go. This side, guys. We're only gonna go to here. We're not going all the way across, and then we're gonna head back and go to the visitor center. Thank you. You guys ready to see Hoover Dam? Oh yeah?
Stephanie, yes. You have the key, right? Another document.
Kasi kung wala naman po.
Alright, Steph. This is good. Okay, right here.
I'll be behind you. Come.
Sorry. Oh my god. Look at the Hoover Dam. We're on the walkway right now. Hoover
Let's go
Dam.
further.
We should not go further. This is perfect. There's a little house, like just off the cliff. Like I don't know why it's like hanging off. The little house. Hoover Dam. Stay just like that. We were all the way up there. Huge how they make these things, right? It's crazy how they make it. Is this tower built sideways or is it just leaning? This tower, it must be built that way because the business center is straight. That's the restaurant that they have. You think they got parking over here? You're gonna have to. I guess there's parking over at the other side.
yourself.
You can. You don't have to pay for parking over here.
Just park here and then walk over there.
We'll walk over there, take a picture, and then come. Oh, hold up.